Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer wire shelf in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer wire shelf. This wire shelf is located in the freezer compartment underneath of the ice bucket. The most common reasons for replacing the freezer wire shelf are if it gets corroded or is simply missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer wire shelf, we need to slide it to one side and then lift it up and remove its right side. This is the old freezer wire shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new freezer wire shelf, we need to place the right side into this cutouts and push it in all the way. And we're going to install the left side into the openings and slide it to the left. Now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.